Hi everyone, I'm Miss Katie from Rockland Public Library, and today I'm filming Storytime from Pope Memorial Humane Society. I have some friends here joining me that you're going to see in the background. And Memorial Humane Society is getting ready for a big event that they have the day before Mother's Day. They have Kids Day coming up where you can come participate in activities and crafts, and you get to meet lots of adorable animals, including the very cute new bunnies. I hope to see you all there. But in the meantime, I thought we would read a story. What do you think, sweets? Yeah, we're going to read a story. This one is a silly story. It's called My Cat Looks Like My Dad. My Cat Looks Like My Dad is by Thao Lamb. My cat looks like my dad. My cat looks like my dad. What do you think? Do they look alike? They both love milk. They even have little milk mustaches. And they love sardines. Ooh, I actually like sardines. And so does my dad. My cat loves belly rubs. And so does my dad. My cat and my dad always start their morning with stretches. Look at their great stretches. Down, over, up. And their afternoons with naps. Ooh. Ooh. My cat is afraid of heights. And my dad is also afraid of heights. Poor dad. Look, I don't blame him. The ladder's falling. My dad is a great singer. And my cat thinks he's a great singer too. Poor mom. Mom is always picking up after dad. Stinky sock. And after the cat. Oh no, a mouse. And neither of them ever replaced the toilet paper roll. They are both very brave. Some of the time. See, they're going out at night, but look what's there. Uh-oh, a skunk, run! They love boxes all of the time. I wish you could see, I have a little friend watching right below me. Yep, my cat looks like my dad. And me? I look like my mom. We both have wild hair. Our eyes are the same color. And we both love to dance. What do you think is telling this story with the hair and these eyes and these feet? Mom and Dad always say, family is what you make it. The end. You see who the narrator is? It's a bird. Don't they make a beautiful family? The end. Thank you all for listening. I hope you have a wonderful day today. And I can't wait to see you all at Pope Memorial Humane Society for Kids Day. Bye-bye. Are you on TV? Yeah, you see yourself on TV?